Hey guys, it's Dustin, and today we are in Winter Garden, Florida in the Lake Apopka Sound community built by DR Horton. Today we are looking at the Robinson floor plan, which is 4 bedrooms and 3 baths, and I think you're going to like it, so let's take a look. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed seeing this beautiful home here in Winter Garden, Florida. If you'd like more information, my contact info is below, and we'll see you on the next one. Make it a great day.